Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm MissCheriess. In today's video, we're doing my first impressions of these new mini travel palettes from Elcie Cosmetics. So they came up with 3 mini palettes. I only have the Love in London. They also have the Love in Hawaii, and this is the Blushing in Bali. This is a face palette. So before I'm going to do my first impressions, as always, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Click the bell to be notified every time I upload my videos. Now without further ado, let's go jump right ahead. So the first one is the Love in London. So the pictures that he posted online, the shadows look very, dark, like almost like warm tone, but in person the shades are cool tone shades. This one is the Blushing in Bali, which is a 6-color blush and highlighter palette. Next, I'm taking the shade Piccadilly with the Morphe 441 brush. So next I'm going to take the shade Push just to intensify my eye look. I'm just going to concentrate on my outer half. I'm applying this shade Duchess on my outer half. I'm applying the shade Tea. I'm going to leave a space, just tiny bit on my lid, and then I'm going to apply the shade Palace on that space. I'm going to put on my false lashes off camera, then I'll be right back with my foundation, concealer, primer, and everything else in a bit. Moving on with my face products, I'm going to use this CosRx Honey Ceramide Full Moisture Cream. My face now looks a little red because I have been using vitamin C for my acne scars, so it feels a little bit irritated right now. Next thing I'm going to do is apply the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. So for the under eyes, I'm going to mix the Elcie Cosmetics Complete Remedy Silk Concealer in the shade Medium with the Josie Maran Full Vibrancy Concealer. Moving on with my lower lashes, I'm going to mix the shades Lovely and Piccadilly. So I'm just going to bronze up my face or cover up my face first. So this is the Elcie Cosmetics Brilliance Bronzer. This is their satin finish bronzer in the shade Golden Gal with the Elcie Cosmetics Pro Studio brush, because my face right now looks a little red and I look a little pale. I don't know why I look pink. Just applied bronzer. Now I'm going to mix these two shades. So this is the coral one and this is the pomegranate. So these two are really beautiful. Oh my god, so this is the Juno & Co. ES03 brush. Oh wow, so pretty. So I applied way too much blush. My face looks too pinky, curly, but in person, it looks fine. I don't know what's going on camera. I don't know if you notice the luminosity going on right now. So the blushes, they are not exactly matte blushes. They have a little bit of they look kinda dewy a little bit. Maybe it could be the primer that I used, the putty primer from e.l.f., but I am not mad at all. So pretty. So now the most exciting moment, I am going to use the highlighter. So I'm going to use this one. This is the shade Sunkissed. I think this would be perfect for my skin tone. Oh man, my chair right now makes so much noise. So I think I'm going to use another Elcie Cosmetics brush. So this is not exactly a highlighting brush, so I'm just going to use this one. It's like, I think, a blending brush. I think this would work. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I look too red, like pink. I don't know why. So okay, so right here, oh my goodness, this is a metallic highlighter. I think all of them are metallic shades. So amazing. So now I'm going to apply this lighter shade. Excuse my picture right now, it's so old. So this is the shade Glisten. So this would be perfect for like pale skin or pale complexion. Okay, so I don't know what happened to my lighting before. It was kind of weird. So right now it looks a little bit better. So I do apologize if my face looks way too red, like pinkish. So right now the blush looks pretty. So not like too pinky. I think it was the lighting. I do apologize for that. So I'm going to apply this Dose of Colors lipstick. So this is the I think Desi by Katy, but Dose of Colors collaboration, their second collab. So this is in the shade Hey Girl. And then I'm going to use this Elcie Cosmetics. I got this one for free because I purchased over $25 2 weeks ago. So this is their lip plumping gloss in the shade Pink Cosmo. I don't really need to use plumping lip gloss, but I just really like this one. It feels very comfortable at all. So the last thing I am going to do right now is spray my face with this Pixi Beauty Makeup Fixing Mist. This is the rose water and green tea. I am running out of this one. This one smells amazing. It melts all my makeup. I mean, just feels so good and feels very hydrating. I don't set my face because I have dry skin. I mean, sometimes I set my under eyes, but I haven't been doing that lately because of my skin. I mean, so dry. So yeah, I'm just going to spray my face with this. This is the final look. I am obsessed with this highlighter, and this one is only $16 to $18. Very inexpensive. The highlighters are amazing, the blushes are amazing. I mean, I don't have anything bad things to say about this one. I wasn't going to purchase this. I was really planning to get the other one, the eyeshadow palette, the Love in Hawaii, but I wanted to change it up a little bit, and I'm really glad that I did because this one is my favorite face palette. I mean, I don't really buy face palettes because I'm not really into them, like blushes. I haven't been buying highlighters lately, so I have been into like eyeshadows and base products like concealers, foundation. So yeah, but I'm really glad that I purchased this one because the eyeshadows, they have the blushes, oh my goodness guys, got these beautiful shades. They look a little bit luminous or dewy. The highlighters, oh my goodness, are so pigmented. I'm wearing this one on my inner corners, this one my cheekbones, right here also my brows. So yeah, I am obsessed with this one. Okay guys, so get this one. $16 would be $18. This is very inexpensive and very high quality. So oh my goodness, this is really good, and the size is perfect. I mean, not like too small, not too big. It's like a medium size palatable palettes actually, but this one is my favorite palette. And the last one is the Love in London eyeshadow palette. So this one has 16 eyeshadows, 9 are metallics, while 7 are mattes. So metallics, oh my goodness, metallics that I'm wearing right now, they applied really good. I didn't have to use a brush, I didn't have to spray my brush. Oh my god, look at that. They are so pigmented guys. I mean, so pigmented for only $16. This is only $16, maybe 18, but still very inexpensive. The mattes were very easy to blend. The only thing that was a little bit patchy and hard to blend with the shade Piccadilly, but I was able to make it work. It wasn't really patchy, like you can see like blotchiness, but it was just a tiny bit patchy. The shade Push, this one was very easy to blend. It was surprisingly easy to blend. So the colors are perfect for every day, going to school, to work. If you just don't want to wear like too much makeup, You just, if you want to smoke out your eye look, you can use the shade Push. This is not exactly a matte, like black matte shade. It's a little bit of a almost like a navy black or navy blue. I mean navy black, I should say, like navy black. And oh my goodness, so creamy. See that? It's so creamy. See that? It's almost like a navy black. Oh my god, it's so creamy. I mean, all of the shadows are. So these products are amazing, guys. I mean, I don't have like so much like bad things to say about these palettes. I mean, these are amazing, and they're only $18 each. $18 from Elcie Cosmetics. So do not sleep on these palettes, guys. Do not sleep on these. I mean, they always have sales like almost every day. So yeah, pick this up, guys. And also I think I might get the Love in Bali one. I think I'm going to bring this with me, guys. I mean, I'm just gonna put this in my bag, although I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna put this one in my bag. I mean, this is just so amazing. This Blushing in Bali eyeshadow palette, blush, sorry. Oh my goodness, so these are amazing. So let me know if you purchased their new travels, I think it's travel series collection, and what you think about the products. So yeah, amazing. So this would be the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and hope to see you all on my next video. Bye bye.